Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing how to do an ombre effect nail art. Start by applying a base coat. For this ombre look, I'll be using 3 colors. It is not necessary to have 3. You can go with as many as you want. Once the base is dried completely, we can move on to the next step. So for the next step, I'm gonna add red at the top, and following that I'll be adding a lighter shade of the previous color, and then I'll add the color that I already used as a base. So to obtain this look, I'll be using an ombre brush. Start from the top by dabbing and slowly move the brush while dabbing till the end. The idea is to drag the top color slowly till the end. I'm gonna repeat the process again, but this time I'll be cleaning the brush with some acetone and then I'll be proceeding further. So here I've used a UV polish. Doing this with a normal polish will be quite difficult as it tends to dry quickly. So as you can see, I've already tried out this design. So I'm gonna give this one a matte finish. Before applying the top coat, I thought I'll add some gold foil to it. Once done with the gold foil, I'll seal the polish with matte top coat. And here's the final look. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.